Hi, Math 112 students. I just wanted to, Hi, Math 112 class. I just wanted to go over a few things for week 4. So right now I'm in the modules section of week 4. And we have our usual objectives you can click on, and then discussion where I'm asking you questions about the upcoming exam. A few other things I'd just like to point out. When you go to the videos section, I've included some other videos that you might find helpful from Patrick JMT. He's pretty good. He provides some pretty good explanations. I know some people use Khan Academy. I think they're all right. But I kind of like Patrick JMT a bit better. The next thing, just to point out here is, so after you watch some videos, you're going to notice down here there's an assessment. It's a Canvas assessment. So we have the usual assessments, which are your homework, and then the quizzes that are in MyLab. But I've also included one in Canvas on domain and range. This is a really important topic that's going to come up later, so I wanted to provide you just with an extra assessment on that. All right, when you click on this, I refer you to some other information that you could look at. So this quiz, it has 15 questions. You'll have 3 days to complete this quiz, and you'll be given 2 attempts. Canvas will record your highest score. So the quiz becomes available on Friday the 2nd. All right, and then you have until Sunday to complete that. It's just 15 questions. They're true, false. All right, but before you take this quiz, this is what I suggest you do. So when you click on the quiz, before you take it, you have to review a few things. So there's a video visualization of domain and range. There's a GeoGebra link that goes to that above video. That's a geometry algebra interactive program. It's pretty useful. And then I have a 9 famous functions, basically kind of like a PowerPoint and their graphs. This is also accessed when you go to week 4 here, if you just kind of follow things order like you've been doing. So here's that interactive video I talked about. Here's the 9 famous functions. So basically, if you work through this, go through the guided worksheet for section 2.1. That information, this quiz really relates more to the 2.1 material. All right. And I'll be providing the solutions to the guided worksheets as well. Sorry, last week I was not able to get the video solutions up to the guided worksheets, but the solutions were up. Okay, were available. Another thing I've added here was just things to know about how to use your graphing calculator as far as the table, zero, and intersect methods. You're going to need these for the upcoming exam. So I've just provided a little tutorial. I've kind of taken them out of the guided worksheets, just step by step how to use the table feature, the zero method, and the intersect method. I'll be adding a few more about max and mins also to this before the exam. So let me just scroll down one more time, but I think that's about it. Just wanted to point out that just this, this extra quiz here, just an additional assessment that I thought, you needed, you should do. And it would probably be good to do this in order. This is not a prerequisite for doing the other quizzes, so you can still work on this homework. The homework here is a prerequisite, though, for these 2 quizzes. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And don't forget to, do your discussion and have a good week. I'll be providing more material, definite details about the exam and review materials by Friday of this week. So have a good week.